Mathematics includes the study of quantity, structure, space, and change. Math can be so complex it could be considered strange. So strange equations could be rearranged.
Hey CVA Stats students! Let's get rid of that word failing. It's just another word for growing. It says, hey, Khan Academy. And this is our grid view. And it's now time for our world famous game plans. That's right, week number 7, September 20th to September 24th, 2021. It is cold at night. It feels like the fall. What are we focusing on? 1.7, measuring variability. Students will be able to understand variability on their notes and homework. Just like my students, when they pour out those Lucky Charms, they were wondering if I'm going to get marshmallows or regular cereal. There is variability about those marshmallows. Alright, what do we got for you? Game plans. Got some room in 902 in school news. And then we'll finish up with the warm-up. Remember, every Thursday, guys, I'll see you. Zoom link is the same, and you'll also see that in your e-cadence under, this week will be 7.1 or whatever .1, that's the conference one. Okay, this week you are taking a quiz. It's called Assessment 7.5. And the link will lead you to Edulastic, and it will open on Tuesday, September 21st at 9 a.m. and it'll close 1 week later, so you have to take that quiz within a week. Remember, for your grades, e-cadence is the way to get and turn in your work. It is the unofficial grade, but Aries is your official grade in the class. Whoa, Khan Academy, your best friend, is due next week, Tuesday at 8 a.m. You need a total of 120 learning minutes. To check your learning minutes, you just go to Khan Academy and click on progress and change the time frame from 8:22 to say 9:20. September 20th, and it'll count up your learning minutes is what you're looking for. Remember, for attendance, showing up to class every week, and if you ever miss a week, click on that absent assignment. Need help? I got office hours. There's a link there. You can do that outside of Thursdays as well, because I want to help you guys. School news, back to school night this week, so if your parents want to see us, that's on Wednesday. And the college fair. Here's a new one, Friday, September 24th. We're going to have, CVA is going to have their first ever club rush, and here are the clubs that are happening. That's from 2:30 to 3:30 through Zoom. Okay, your first quiz. I don't know if you were happy or not, but I'm going to try it again. Currently, as of last night, we have 430 subscribers. If we get to 500 subscribers, I will add a rule to Aries, dropping your lowest quiz score. I'm going to give you guys about a week, a little bit more than a week to get that done. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and tell your friends and family. Week number 7, our essential question is, how do you understand variability? Let's take a look at our week at a glance. And this is the week at a glance number 7 video. We don't do the warm-up on Monday, so I'm erasing that. Quiz number 2 review. Let's take a look at this. This is to help you prepare for the quiz. So I'm going to give you a menu of options. I think this time I only have 2 options, or 2 doors. And option number 1 is complete last year's quiz. You go to my website, click on math classes, stats, quiz corrections, and it'll lead you to a spreadsheet, and then at the bottom change the tab to Stats A first semester from last year, 2020 and 21, and it's probably quiz number 2. And if you haven't already, you can click on this. This will teach you how to do quiz corrections. We're actually going to do this quite a bit, and basically it's a way of, you know, making sure the material that you don't understand, that you do it correctly. And then you watch it, the video solutions, which are on that spreadsheet with the video solution. Gotta go to my website. I'm not gonna put a link for you guys. It's there. Option number 2, I think this might be a big bang for your buck as well. And you know what? You could do both, but you won't get extra credit. You just need to do one of these. Option number 2 is complete quiz number 1 corrections. This is the quiz that we just took. If you got a perfect, you have to do, I think I'm going to write at the end, you have to do If you got a perfect, you have to do option number 1. Okay, you go to your Edge Elastic. You can print your results and get a PDF, so you don't have to print a piece of paper, or take out the paper you did your math work on. Same thing. If you haven't already, just watch this once. How to complete quiz corrections, and then you're actually going to go and complete the quiz corrections by looking at the video solutions. Again, same thing. Go to my website, stats, quiz, not directions, corrections, although they rhyme. And that's a great way for you to study. So I'm suggesting that you do that on a Monday. Tuesday you will turn in your work, and I'll show you next on the next slide, and then you need your quiz is open. So I'm trying to give you guys a week flexibility of taking that quiz. The reason why I only give you guys a week is so that other students can get feedback. They can see the solution, see what they missed, and see that in details. And again, the reason why I just make the suggestions, again, you can do all of this in one day, all of this stuff. Like some people just like to do math day, Monday, which is fine, or you can break it up however you like. Lesson 1.7, this is the same Google document. I just broke it up into 2 days because I think it is a longer video lesson. I'll see you guys in class on Thursday, and if you need to, you could take the quiz during class. I can help you with anything. And then on Friday, you have homework 1.7. Red light, yellow light, green light. Anything in red is considered late. You're going to have to click the sad guy. Remember, regular late work just means you're going to turn in one late assignment. Super late work means you want to turn in a bunch of stuff and make a cool commercial. If you guys need some help, I have 2 helps to turning in your work if that's still an issue for you on eCadence. So the red stuff has already been graded. Yellow light means that it's past the due date, and I'll have time to check it maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday. So if you have not done the Spirit Week, turn it in. It is an assignment, guys. And this is the one that you need to turn in Tuesday by 3 p.m. I said. I don't know why I chose 3 p.m., but let's make it 9 a.m. So even though, let's just say again, if you turn in after 9 a.m. on eCadence, which I'm going to create a place for you to turn it in, this is say you turn in at 10 o'clock. It's going to say you're late. But remember, this color coding system says that it's not late until it's what color? Red. So don't worry. But what am I looking for? Lesson homework 1.4, lesson homework 1.5. Okay, pay attention to this one. Lesson 1.6 intro, that's what we did in class last week. Lesson homework 1.6 and quiz number 2. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 3 is 2,400 plus 300 points for formatting will be worth 2,700 points towards your assignment category. And I think that's all I got for you guys. Keep growing. Never stop. We'll see you guys later. Bye.
Now that you're interested in math, you should go follow David Ng in YouTube. He's really smart and really funny.